Australia has landed two significant defence export contracts totaling $80 million, awarding Kongsberg Defence Australia the role of supplying missile launchers and command systems to several European nations. Officially announced on August 14, 2025, these deals involve deliveries to Poland, Spain, and Denmark. They are part of the National Global Supply Chain Program, which Kongsberg Defence Australia joined in 2024, and marked the first production of Naval Strike Missile, NSM, launchers outside Europe and the United States. Under these agreements, South Australian firms will now contribute to exporting advanced defence systems to Europe. Through its Norwegian parent company, Kongsberg Defence and Aerospace, Kongsberg Defence Australia will provide Poland with command and control consoles for the Naval Strike Missile coastal defence system in a contract valued at $30 million. The second contract, worth $50 million, covers the manufacturing of NSM launcher systems for Spain and Denmark. The projects enhance Australia's domestic capability to produce advanced guidance and weapons systems. The launchers and consoles will be assembled and tested at Kongsberg's Mawson Lakes facility in South Australia, using components sourced from suppliers in Adelaide, Melbourne, and Sydney. Approximately 60 skilled positions will be created or maintained across Kongsberg Defence Australia and its local supply chain. In an era of heightened regional and global security challenges, the ability to manufacture cutting-edge defence equipment domestically has become strategically critical. Complete local control over production mitigates delays tied to imports, ensures a steady supply of key components, and allows rapid responses to urgent operational requirements, whether for Australian forces or overseas customers. Faster production timelines also strengthen Australia's position in the global defence market, where timely delivery can influence contract success. Leveraging an established domestic industrial network positions Kongsberg Defence Australia as a reliable, responsive supplier for evolving defence demands. The NSM, a modern anti-ship cruise missile, is designed to neutralize heavily armed warships and land targets alike. It is being integrated into the Royal Australian Navy's Hobart-class destroyers and Anzac-class frigates, with a first successful firing from an Australian vessel completed in July 2024 and initial operational capability declared that same year. Engineered by Kongsberg Defence and Aerospace, the NSM combines long-range precision, stealth, and maneuverability. Its aerodynamic profile and high thrust-to-weight ratio allow agile flight, while passive guidance reduces detectability. Flying at sea-skimming altitudes and capable of advanced terminal maneuvers, the missile evades air defenses and identifies targets via autonomous target recognition, ATR. Measuring 3.96 meters in length, weighing 407 kilograms, and capable of over 300 kilometers range, the NSM can launch from ships, land platforms, and certain aircraft configurations. These exports align with the Australian government's investment in guided weapons, supported by the Defence Integrated Investment Program, which plans $16 to $21 billion over the next decade. Defence Industry Minister Pat Conroy emphasised that the contracts demonstrate Australia's integration into the global missile supply chain and represent the first NSM launcher production outside Europe and the US. South Australia's Minister for Defence and Space Industries, Stephen Mulligan, highlighted the economic and employment benefits, while Kongsberg Defence Australia Managing Director John Fry stressed opportunities for local suppliers and the strength of Australia's production base. Overall, these contracts mark a major advancement for Australia's defence sector, delivering local economic benefits, opening access to European markets, and reinforcing the nation's reputation as a capable producer and exporter of sophisticated missile systems.